guys, as I said mentioned before, I'm going on a natural hair journey. So I'll be coming to you guys with a little natural makeup, no, natural hairstyles as soon as my hair grows up some more. And guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick makeup tutorial with you guys. I'm going to go to work on the NC for tonight. Nothing too big, nothing too extravagant. I'm just gonna do something simple, maybe so a natural look, maybe. I'm just gonna talk to you while I do this video. I don't know right about now. I don't really know what I want to do on this YouTube channel. I am thinking about focusing on mostly hair and the makeup. So I'm just gonna transform this channel into a makeup and hair channel, and then I am going to create another channel whenever I have 1,000 subscribers. So for right now, I'll be focusing on getting my 1,000 subscribers through makeup and hair videos, and then if I want to branch off in pranks and so forth, I might drop 1 or 2 pranks on this thing here. How this light could turn. If I turn it from back up front here. There we go. That way this light could turn. Nico. So as I said, so I'm just gonna blend this thing out. So this is a just simple get ready with me chit chat video. So I'm gonna do this much. So I'm not gonna do too much. I don't want to do it the past 10 minutes. So I'm gonna hurry up and do a little chit chat. As I was saying before, guys, I don't know. This is highlight under here, and then I am going to put my eyelash on, and then I'm going to fix my hair. take money. That's a too late, guys. I'm just gonna line the top of my eye with the hide. So guys, I think this is the what you guys think? I think I'm gonna go with this look for now. I'm gonna find myself a little ribbon and I'm gonna do my edit. Right, step 2. Nico, what's your love? You never know, so you can too. You never know if you were drunk go. Oh, right. I think I am going to go with this look for now. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. New ear spoil. So guys, as I mentioned before, I'm going on a natural hair journey. So I'll be coming to you guys because it's a natural makeup, no, natural hairstyle as soon as my hair grows up some more. And I think, yeah.